Take a ride in the 2014 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, trip computer, security system, brake assist, panic alarm, UCONNECT hands-free group, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.